Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach presenting this beautiful 2018 Porsche Macan, finished in beautiful white with black and Luxor Beige interior. As you can see, excellent shape inside and out. Clean Carfax report, amazing service history. Alcantara and leather seats. Center console, all these buttons, no wear. Non-smoking car, no strange pet odors or dog hair. This car is equipped with the PDK transmission, Porsche entry drive, lane change assist, Porsche Connect, heated seats, see back seat, excellent condition, 18-inch Macan wheels, 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 252 horsepower, 7-speed, all-wheel drive. You see driver's side, excellent shape as well. Door panels, steering wheel, excellent shape. This car has, I believe, 98,000 miles. Driver's seat in excellent shape as well. We will turn it on for you real quick. Headlights, excellent. See no chips. This car gets about 25 miles per gallon on the freeway, 22 miles per gallon combined. All right, thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for a well-maintained, super clean Porsche, give us a call, 858-382-1319. The video, images, Carfax, all available on our website, Iconic Coach. We do have PPF ceramic coating options available to keep the paint looking outstanding. Give us a call. Once again, 858-382-1319. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow our page. Thank you so much for watching.